skunked a seance. What business does anyone have in New Jersey? Dreaming a field of just black cats. In Yankee territory, there's a dead cowboy with cocaine every other bar. We got our money hunger honest at the rock climbing gym where my dealer and my ex make eyes at grips and check the tightness of each other's harnesses. When there are too many stars and not enough sky, there are just two simple questions to ask your soul. Why are my pants down? And where did this burrito come from? My ghost cowboy boyfriend with a severe amphetamine problem likes to call me Sugar and go on long hunts for predators of the poor. Before he saddles up Bisquick, his ghost horse, he gives me the see-through look of, well, just look at you, getting fucked up in the head by another stupid man. At dusk, when Bisquick and my man with the drip return, skulls of debt collectors echoing behind like a wedding getaway car, he grabs my hips with his ghost hands and says, "Drag it through the garden, Sugar." And whatever that means, I do it. It's incredibly easy to clean up a ghost dirt, to walk away from a man who lasted longer than one night, then a month, then longer. I was lying when I said it didn't hurt. These men, always seen and going towards a light with their big-dicked butter faces. Him and Bisquick looking back at me all spent and bordered by a halo, saying, "I'm so sorry, we have to go now." And me, snarking back, "You think I'm going to give you any time? You don't have a lot of land up there." And Bisquick takes off back towards me, dragging the smoked-up son of a bitch by his nays. He says, like Tupac says, "Revenge is the sweetest joy next to getting pussy." We are just bad boy killers. Me, Bisquick, my spectral domestic terrorist. He tips his leather brim. I stop him. I say, I am at the point of my life where in the movie, the battered woman is smoking over a motel rail, looking at the sea and an abandoned Arby's parking lot. And she's getting up, and she's thinking, and her life changes from there on out.